This is how to cook barramundi?
Territory style. Tom, can you grab some firewood? Tom, can you actually do something?
Barra time?
We're just going to score the fish so we can get that yummy flavour in there. Pour the sauce, butter, ginger, garlic, shallots.
And some inside? Oh yeah.
Slap the lemons on, a little bit of onion, some native leather myrtle here.
Why is barramundi so important to you?
Barramundi is just a big part of Darwin culture. I used to chuck them in my suitcase and I'd jump on the plane and take them all the way to Melbourne for the footy season. So the local Larrakia people, we're always chasing the elusive barramundis. Right, Tom, let's wrap it up.
And so why are we using paperbark?
It's been used traditionally for thousands of years. People always say it's the best barramundi they've ever eaten.
Left, right, I hit him with a kangaroo punch.
You were dug it.
Hit him with the double.
Right, Tom, let's get this on the coals.
I'm keen. Do you have any memories of coming down to this spot?
We spent so much time here as a kid, you know, we'd come down, light fires and throw lines off the rye, catch barramundi just out here. Great upbringing. Let's get it off the fire and onto the table.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, a little bit of garnish and we're ready to go.
Right there. Oh, Shannon, step aside, brother, step aside. I'm gonna nip off with this one if that's all right. Oh, no! Shannon! Oh my God, sorry,
You grabbed
bro.
the wrong piece.
This right here is a good feed. Trust me on that, this is a good feed.